Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well. I'm thrilled to share with you the exclusive hamper which I received from Plum Goodness. I received 3 products and these 3 products are amazing guys, and I use these products on a day-to-day basis, which is very much essential for me. Plum is India's first 100% vegan brand and it has been my absolute favorite. They have expanded their product range, which are best in hair care, body care, skin care, makeup, and also their latest edition Baby Plum. The exciting news is the Plum has reached the milestone of 9 years and providing years of goodness. So get ready to celebrate because Plum is on cloud 9 with a massive sale happening right now, which is from 30th of June till 6th of July. So hurry up, head over to plumgoodness.com and buy your essential beauty product with a massive discount of 50% off. And trust me, this is one birthday party which you don't want to miss out. Let's dive into each and every product from the packaging, discussing on their texture, ingredients and the benefits with my mini review, and if necessary I'll even swatch one of the products. So the first product is the Smoking Vanilla Body Mist. Let's open the product. Okay, this is actually cute and purse friendly packaging, which makes it, you know, super portable and easy to carry wherever you go. Let's see how it smells. The warm and sweet smell of vanilla with a twist of smokiness, and the scent is perfect for those who love, you know, sweet aroma with a hint of drama. So this is actually very good fragrance. Don't rub it. As per the instruction, don't rub it, dab it, and this fragrance will last for 3+ hours, which is actually very good. It contains honeysuckle, woody, vanilla, balsam, amber and musk notes. This is the next product. The next product is There You Go highlighter. The shade is Miracle Bronze and it rates for 499 rupees. It's a plastic body again, and this is so cute and travel friendly. So this is the Plum highlighter, Here You Glow highlighter, which is actually very pigmented and it has a very good consistency and ज़्यादा powdery भी नहीं है, very natural consistency, which is very good. So the shades are thoughtfully created to complement the diverse range of skin tones in India, ensuring that everyone achieves the glowing face once they apply this product. This contains a touch of rosehip oil and goji berry oil and keep your skin supple, healthy looking and very soft once you apply this. But मेरा जो ये shade है, ये मैं bronzer की तरह यूज़ करूँगी because this is not my shade. This is actually a bronzing shade. So मैं इसको bronzer की तरह यूज़ करूँगी, so I can contour my cheeks properly with this. So the next product is my favorite vitamin C serum. This is actually a glow boost. So basically you can say hello to smooth and radiant plumped up skin as you see off the dark spots once you start applying this. This is actually good. The packaging looks good. This is actually beginner friendly vitamin C and it is lightweight and quickly absorbs into your skin. I don't see the fire in your eyes, wondering what I've done wrong. पहला जो ingredient है इसका वो है ethyl ascorbic, which is water soluble and quick absorbing formula which will reduce dark spots and hyperpigmentation. And the next one is the Japanese mandarin. Not only enhances the performance of vitamin C but also gives a natural glow to your skin and remove all the dullness. The third one is the Kakadu plum and it protects skin from free radical damage and oxidative stress. So here's a special tip for you. Use my code in the description and on the screen to get additional 10% off. Isn't it great? I hope you guys like the video. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Till then, bye.